If you want to block a phone number on a CMF Phone 2 Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to the phone app. If you have a contact that you wish to block, then after going to contacts list, you want to select the contact that you want to block. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Now over here we can scroll down in order to find the block numbers option. So over here we can tap on this option and then you can block every number that is assigned to the specific contact. And this is one of the ways to block a phone number. Another way to block a phone number is by using recents. So if you go to recents, you will find all the calls that you had or that you missed, etc. And you can block a phone number from here as well. So if you had a call, if someone tried to reach you and you want to block that person, you can press and hold your finger on the call. And then over here in these options, you should be able to find the option to block the phone number. In my case, it is not there because I'm trying to block the voicemail, so it is not possible to do so. However, if it's a normal phone number, then I can block it from here. And the third option that allows you to block a phone number is by going to settings. So first we're gonna tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner and then go to settings. Next, we want to go to blocked numbers, and over here we can press add a number. Tap on this text, now tap on phone number field, and then we can write the phone number that we wish to block and press block. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!